I'm Manogna from D1. Today my topic is health, how drones help in health sector. Drones have the potential and revolutionary in the rural areas. It helps to the rural people having a good health facilities like emergency responses like any pregnancy ladies, accidents in that time, and also some disasters happen in that time. Accessibility of the medicines given by the drones, and also having vaccines in pandemic situations. We suffer from a lot from that, so every rural areas use by drones facilities, medicines, vaccines, everything. It would bridge gap between the quality health facilities and to the rural areas. Because of these drones, we can have a health to the tribal people also. In the tribal society, there is no health facilities is very limited to them. They can't go to the hospitals. They don't have the hospitals near their villages. So the drones are helpful to them to have a good health facilities. So it can be very useful to these tribal peoples and rural aerial peoples. So our drone technology is very helpful to all the people in rural areas. More quality health facilities to everyone. So we have to develop, our government also developed the policy on the drone policy 4.0, and also it giving 20% subsidy to the manufacturers of the drone manufacture industries. The government also developing our drone technology. So I thank you.